Hi, in this video, we're going to be going over how to become a remote online notary in the state of Montana. So at BlueNotary, we've got a specific guide that goes over exactly how to do this. It's available as a link in the description of this video. If you click that link, it's going to bring you right here where you can scroll down and see the full complete guide. We're going to go over this together just to make sure there's not any confusion. Step number 1 is you need to have an existing commission as a traditional notary public. So you need to be a notary public in the state of Montana. Step number 2 is you need to sign up with at least one state-approved RON technology provider. Our recommendation for this is obviously to sign up for BlueNotary.us, the best online notarization platform for notaries and businesses. Step number 3 is you're going to need to complete the Montana State Required Training course. Now, if you click this link, you're going to see a few different courses that you have the option of choosing from. If you scroll down here, you're going to be looking for the Montana Certified RON Training courses. And depending on when you come through and click this, you may be able to take a course directly through BlueNotary. Step number 4 is you're going to need to submit your notary public information update and course exam completion proof through the online portal. So this is the notary public information update. It's going to look just like this. You're going to need to submit which platform you are going with right down here. And if you have any questions, you're able to reach out over here to sosnotary@montana.gov. Or you can call 406-444-1877. So you're going to take this form along with your proof of exam completion and submit it through the Montana online portal. This is available right here. You can create your account by clicking Login up here in the top right-hand corner. Once you've been authorized, you're able to begin performing remote online notarization as a notary in the state of Montana. Montana is a great state as it allows for you to do biometric notarization, which is the easiest and quickest form of authentication for performing remote online notarization. If you found any of this information or this tutorial as a whole helpful, please follow along, like, and subscribe. We've got plenty more useful information for you on online notarization.
Are you interested in getting a feel for what an online notarization session would feel like before going through the approval process? You can open up a free account at app.bluenotary.us/business/register. We've left a link in the description on how you can make a free account and left you with a video tutorial of every feature on the platform. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out through the customer support chat in the bottom right-hand corner, and we'll do our best to get you pointed in the right direction. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your notary journey.